In this PopDoc AI demo, we are using Claude to leverage reading various file types, and in this example, we're pulling both a Word document and an Excel file, each with its own set of expense policies and limits. We are grabbing the exact file names in this scenario, but this can be set up to be more of a fuzzy search to find files based on a typical chat experience as well. We are pulling from an SFTP site in this example, but it is also possible to pull from any major file storage site, such as SharePoint or Google Drive. So Claude will then pull in these files so they are available for download right from within here, but we take it a step further, asking Claude to read the contents of each file and summarize the data in each to come up with a full list of allowable expenses and limits. The last step in this example is asking it to put all of the data into a downloadable PDF, which it is working on here, but this could also be an instance where this data output could be sent to someone via email or pushed back into one of those data storage options.